This 2023 Forest River Sierra Destination Trailers 401 FLX is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Wabash, in 46,992 and is offered for sale by Zoomers RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features front living area, kitchen island, rear bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.